Okay, so two things. First, you can see I ran the fuel line on the T26 kind of in this strange loop here, because when it was going under, I think it was kinking right at the inlet on the carb. So I'm going to try this out. It means that I won't be able to move the throttle at all because that's going to pinch there. But we'll see if we can get it to idle and just run for a while like that. I also put brand new batteries in because the AAA, I suspect that they are susceptible to being having trouble keeping up with the current requirements of the ignition module as they get weaker. So I think the batteries, just gonna put new batteries in and make sure that that's not an issue. And we'll see how long we can run today. So our needle is at 0 and there we go. The clutch out. Open the needle just a tiny fraction. Like an eighth of a turn. Alright. Cool. We will try driving the T26 around like this. See how it goes. I see there's an air bubble working its way through the fuel line, so I'm going to watch that for a moment. There. Closer and closer. The air bubble just went into the carburetor. And it seems to be through. So, well, see about driving around.